As nighttime falls, as the liquor concurs and starts to drop in, the streamers get sleepy. When they go to sleep, they hear a scream. They wake up. They found out that the streamer with the bucket hat is gone.
Wait, I don't know.
Wait, not the fisherman.
They think they're in a safe neighborhood, but they're not. The neighbors are waiting for them to go to sleep.
Hey,
Once they go to sleep.
Hey, hold on. Now you include other people. Bro. That's not fair. Let's keep it between us. Keep it believable.
The closest tent to the edge will be the first to go.